Hi, I'm Tyler Rowe, Director of Sales at Hartwig Inc. We're here at a customer event in Wichita, Kansas, where we're showing off bavius's game-changing technology. Behind me, we've got live cutting demos on their AeroCell 160, which is a 5-axis horizontal machining center engineered for large aluminum parts.
So I'm Armin, I'm the CEO and owner of bavius. The company has been around for more than 40 years. We remain a 100% family-owned business. We have a global setup. Our headquarters are in southern Germany. We have an affiliate in the Americas. Today we meet at our customer and have the opportunity to demonstrate our capabilities together with our partners, with Hartwig, with ISCAR, with Marpal, and in the great customer facility where the machine is installed at MPM here in Wichita.
My name is Dominic Matz, Director Global Sales for bavius. Today I've got our core product with us. It's the AeroCell 160-400. And let's start with one of the key factors of the machine itself. And that's obviously here the tail, as you can see here. The world is asking for automation, gentlemen. And let's say we already bring a semi-automated solution with us because every machine from the AeroCell family is coming with 2 tables, which means you could load, deload the pallet. In the same time, we're still making chips in here, and the pallet change process in general is around 45 seconds. The machine table itself is dimensioned 16 meters by 4 meters, focusing on large aluminum structural parts. Possibility of nesting, so you could place a bunch of parts on it, or rather just bigger dimensional parts. I'm here beside our latest demonstration part. We developed together with our partner Marpal for tooling. So we have got deep pockets, we have got the ability of operating with milling heads, we have got curved surfaces and so on. It's not a real part of the aircraft, but basically designed for making the customers feel comfortable with each of those sections. Because all those sections, in total we talk about 9, are basically talking about specific applications of typical aerospace. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we find ourselves now inside the AeroCell 160. And I want to point out one of our core capabilities and competencies of the machine itself. This is our bavius milling head. Yeah? The intention is clear. We want to, let's say, sustainably improve and guarantee the maximum performance of the whole center. And therefore, that head is one of the core elements of the machine itself. It's designed, manufactured by us, yeah? And exclusively produced for the AeroCell family. The head itself is equipped with hydraulic clampings, yeah? Which means that we could ensure high rigidity as well as sustainable cutting processes. Yeah? All the BM83s for the AeroCells are coming with a 30,000 RPM spindle from Fisher in order to ensure that the high-speed cutting process is basically what we really like to intensify and focus on.
If you want more information on how bavius can help your shop, please call your local Hartwig sales engineer.